So cute.
Yes.
We love you, man. We know you wasn't there in the building with us all for the GullahGeechee Freedom Celebration because you was here at the actual homegoing for Dr. O.
Yeah.
And we did the tribute for Dr. O. We also announced, and we just wanted to let you know how much we love you, how much we appreciate you for forming the GullahGeechee Family Foundation. So on behalf of the GullahGeechee Sea Island Coalition, here's $250.
Thank you.
To get you started.
Thank you.
And then we got a trunk load of art supplies.
Thank you.
And you got more coming.
Thank
because our partners at College of Charleston is putting a box in their building, and people are going to be able to donate more supplies in there.
Thank
so
you.
once we gather them all up before Thanksgiving, there'll be more for you to teach the children.
Thank you.
More of the artwork. We love you, man.
Thank you.
Keep up the
Love you
good work.
too. Peace and blessings.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
So you want to tell people what's the mission of the GullahGeechee Family Foundation?
GullahGeechee
Foundation. Step away that way. If you want to take your mask off, go and let them see their pretty face.
Something like that. All right. GullahGeechee Family Foundation is helping out the kids in the community through arts and education and knowledge of knowing yourself, being able to express yourself through your arts and talents, and not being afraid to limit yourself and break those limits, to push yourself high into different levels. And then also just being able to be you, be original, be talented, and be your own individual person, and not be ashamed to let nobody tell you you're not good enough. So that's why I started the whole foundation, because we're a family, we're all under one hat. So I want everybody to be able to branch out and be as much as they can be as possible, just like me. Because I started out the same way. I use art, like my God-given talents and gifts, to elevate myself and take it to a higher level. So that's what we are, GullahGeechee Family. We're one nation. We be GullahGeechee people. And then just like my Baba used to say,
come on,
let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen and stay woke.
Stay woke. Ashay.
Ashay.
Thank you.
Ashay.